This week I am testing the 5-seater Kia Seltos with my family, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is you can fit a twin pram in the boot of the Kia Seltos, which is fantastic for families with 2 young ones. Number 2 is I can fit 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back of the Kia Seltos. I've got 2 InfoSecure Attain More and 1 InfoSecure Achieve More. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Number 3 is the media system in the Kia Seltos. It's really lovely and easy to navigate and use and very modern. It's got some great Kia features that I love, like quiet mode. When my little ones fall asleep in the back, I can just pop that on and it brings the sound to my front speakers instead of theirs. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic for letting you access your apps while you're driving. It's also got lovely clear reversing cameras. You can turn the parking sensors on and off down in the central console, and you can also turn that camera on while you're driving along, which gives you great visibility out of the back if you've got 3 child seats installed. I have loved driving the new Kia Seltos with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.